teenage wedding and the old folks wish them well. Welcome to week 6 of the Rock and Roll Workshop. This week we're putting it all together, everything we've learnt over the last 5 weeks, so that you become a proper rock and roll piano player and you're getting all these little tricks. This song, Teenage Wedding, You Never Can Tell by Chuck Berry, one of my heroes. It's the most perfect song to illustrate this. I've just been working on this with my students in Rebel Piano. And to illustrate all these little things that we've learnt, we're going to use this song today. So the first thing that you've got to get, let's go to the overhead camera, is your left-hand engine. We did this in week 4. Moving that, your thumb from the G to the A and get it going. You want to get this going so that it just becomes automatic. Your left hand is just doing it. You need to drive everyone in the house mad. Never stop doing it for hours. And your left hand will just do it. And then your right hand can do whatever it likes. So whether you're waving to someone, scratching your head, or whatever your right hand's doing, keep that left hand going. The second thing you can start doing is, when you've got that going, in between those notes, play a C. And this is when we're doing the chord of C. So, and all of a sudden, it's starting to sound even more rock and rolly. And by doing this on the offbeat with your thumb, it's training your hands to coordinate together. And you'll start to improve really fast if you can just get that. And then we did the repetition in week 5, I think we did that. So that's using the blue note, which we did in week 1, sliding, and then just playing it absolutely relentlessly. But you notice the left hand keeps going whatever. The other thing we've learnt is the slide. Jerry Lee Lewis. It really it gives you that rock and roll. We're not looking for perfection here. It's rock and roll is about attitude and getting the engine room going and then being free and a bit wild. And if you make mistakes, it doesn't really matter as long as you keep it going and keep that engine going. It's just going to sound great. So, I'll go through this one more time very quickly. Firstly, left hand. Playing that, whatever happens, keep doing it. The blue note. So the slide. The slide. The next thing was the offbeat. Get that going. In between times, when you're singing, you can do that. It was a teenage wedding and the old folks wish them well. You could just do that and nothing else and it would sound like rock and roll. It was a teenage wedding and the old folks wish them well. And of course, Johnny Johnson's brilliant piano solo, yeah. something like that anyway. If you're enjoying this, we do this full song in Rebel Piano, and I'd love to see you there. The main thing is, as I said before, it's attitude and being free with your right hand whilst keeping the engine room going at all times. Okay, good luck, happy life, and I'll see you soon.